Yes, welcome to Vision Plus and welcome to Senior for Mathematics. We are looking at addition of complex numbers and we are doing example 4, which says given the complex numbers, z1 is -2 minus 3i, z2 is positive 4 and z3 is 5i plus 1. The question says, third one says find z1 plus z2. So the solution would say z1 plus z2 would just be a mere substitution of z1 and z2. So what is z1? z1 is -2 minus 3i, but we are adding it to z2. What is z2? z2 is 4. This means that the imaginary part of the complex number z2 is 0. So the coefficient of I is 0. That's why there is no I in z2. So we just add plus z2, which is 4. And as usual, we add the real parts together. So we shall have -2 plus 4. -3 is a complex part, but it carries a negative sign, minus 3i. If you add -2 plus 4, you get 2 minus 3i. So this is the answer for z1 plus. Now going to the second part, that is Roman 2, which says z1 plus z3. You just need to substitute for z1, which is -2 minus 3i. That is z1. But we're adding it to z3. What is z3? 5i plus 1. So right here plus 5i plus 1. Then we collect the like terms. When you are collecting the like terms, the choice is yours. You can begin with the real parts together, or you can begin with the imaginary parts together. So let me start with the real parts. -2 plus 1. -2 plus 1. Going to the imaginary part, 3i has a negative sign before it, so we shall say minus 3i. 5i has a positive sign before it, so we shall say plus 5i. This gives us -2 plus 1 is -1. Raise your calculator. -2 plus 1 is -1. And then -3 plus 5 is +2. So here we shall have plus 2i. And this is the solution for z1 plus z3. And the last part, which is Roman 3, says z2 plus z3. Let's just substitute for z2. z2 is 4. Substitute for it the way it is. That is 4 plus. What about z3? z3 is 5i plus 1. So we shall put here plus 5i plus 1. Collect the real parts together. That becomes 4 plus 1 and then plus 5i. What is 4 plus 1? Is 5 plus 5i. So this is the solution for this example 4.